about to show you how to change your air filter. Real quick and easy, take you like 10 minutes. Only thing you need is a flathead screwdriver. And if you're getting it from the TA, that is the part number they're gonna ask you for. That way you don't have to take them the old part and show them, that way they can pick out the right filter. So, all you do, 2 screws on the side, undo that one. As you can see, did some little rigging. That's street ingenuity right there. Use pieces from off of the paper clip to hold the housing together. And yes, they are brittle and they do break. And it's about $200 to replace that plastic piece just because those little tabs break. So just unscrew those and this whole piece should just pop off. And removing the filter, these little handles, I guess you'll call them, both sides to filter, you just pull those each side until it just slides out. Easy breezy. Filter? Old filter, side by side comparison, big difference. Showing you this, when reinstalling, make sure the grooves on the filter match up with the grooves on the housing. And sometimes, I don't know, well, you can see it, it bows down, which make it very, very difficult to get the filter to slide in there. So what you do, put a screwdriver under there just to pry it up. That way it's somewhat straight. That way you can just easily just slide the filter into it. And filter is in, as you can see, it's recessed in there. It slides in just like that. Reinstalling, I guess you'll call this the outer housing. Those little hinges right there, you want to make sure you clip all of them back on there. If not, it won't go on right, of course. Now everything's back together. Properly dispose of your old filter. And for the non-believers that say that doesn't work, and it works as like an anchor gravel hook. You see, it's tight on there. It doesn't move. This is actually my second attempt to rig something up. Before I used a washer, and then the rest of this piece broke, so I figured use something, make it like an anchor, little gravel hook style. It works, it's in there, it doesn't move. New filter, squeaky clean. All right, let's go.